Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to create a business email using mail.com in 2025. It's free, easy to set up, and it is going to give you professional looking email addresses like @consultant.com or @engineer.com. So make sure that you stick around till the end so that you don't miss any of the important tips on choosing the best domain for your industry. Now without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser in your mobile device or in your PC. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for mail.com. Now once you are over here on this page, you need to first of all click on the sign up option in the top right hand corner of the screen. Then you need to simply provide your credentials like your first name, your last name, your date of birth, and press next in the bottom. On the next page, you need to follow further on-screen instructions in order to basically sign up for mail.com. Now once you have done that, you will be landed here on this page where it will ask you to choose your username and choose your domain, and you will be able to basically check for the availability. So here you need to simply pick the domain that you are interested in. So here let's say I'm gonna search for this particular email address. So in order to choose the domain, click on this drop down menu and select anything like @accountant.com, @engineer.com, @musician.com. So let's say I'm gonna search for this one, that is @writeme.com. Then click on the check availability option over here. So if this particular domain or this particular email is available, you will be able to see it very easily. Then you need to create a strong password for your account and add a backup email or phone number so that you can recover your account if needed. Then you need to check the box in order to confirm that you are not a robot. And after creating your account, you will now be taken to the inbox, and from here you can send the emails, customize your settings, and even create your aliases like support@ or sales@ using the same account. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.